SRhonyra's GTX 1060 graphics card delivers smooth full high-definition gaming and solid performance in popular eSports and modern titles thanks to its 6GB GDDR5 memory. The compact, low-profile, single-slot design makes it an excellent upgrade for small form-factor desktops or older office machines that lack room for bulky gaming cards. Built on Nvidia's Pascal architecture, this card handles demanding three-dimensional workloads, video editing, and light virtual reality with surprising competence for its size. Because it draws its power entirely from the PCI Express slot, installation is straightforward and does not require any additional power connectors or power supply upgrades. Dual outputs with one HDMI 2.0 and one DisplayPort 1.4 allow you to run two monitors and even drive ultra-high resolution or 8K displays for detailed productivity work. Overall, the SRhonyra GTX 1060 offers a rare mix of efficient power usage, capable 6GB video memory, and space-saving design that suits compact gaming and creative rigs alike.